Welcome to your next unforgettable getaway in the heart of Seoul. If you are ready to start planning your dream trip, you can find all the booking details and direct links in the description below, or simply scan the QR code appearing on your screen right now. If you are looking for a sanctuary that perfectly balances modern comfort with the soul of traditional Korea, then Unplug Anguk is exactly where you need to be. This boutique gem is designed to be a peaceful retreat from the bustling energy of the city, offering a thoughtfully curated experience that ensures every traveler enjoys a seamless and pleasant stay. Whether you are traveling solo, on a romantic escape, or exploring with friends, the hotel's warm atmosphere and attentive service make it feel like a true home away from home. One of the greatest luxuries of staying here is the effortless connectivity. While you are here to unwind, the hotel provides high-speed, free internet access throughout the entire property, making it easy to share your travel highlights, research your next destination, or stay in touch with loved ones without any interruption. The location of Unplug Anguk is truly second to none. Situated in one of the most culturally rich neighborhoods in Seoul, you are perfectly positioned to immerse yourself in the city's storied past. Just a short, 640-meter stroll away lies the legendary Insadong district. This is an absolute must-see for anyone visiting the capital. You can spend your afternoons wandering through narrow alleys filled with traditional tea houses, browsing exquisite antique shops, and discovering vibrant art galleries. Having such an iconic cultural landmark right on your doorstep means you can transition from the quiet tranquility of your room to the lively energy of Seoul's heritage in just a few minutes. Whether you are here to explore the deep history of Korea or to find a stylish space for your urban adventures, Unplug Anguk offers the perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and charm. It is more than just a place to sleep. It is your gateway to the very best of Seoul. Don't miss out on securing your stay at this incredible location. For the best rates and easy booking, please check the description box below or scan the QR code on your screen to reserve your room today. We look forward to seeing you in Seoul.